Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the exact parts and tools ready. This prevents back and forth. Once you have the mesh, brackets, rivets or bolts, and a 3mm 6mm drill bit set, test fit the mesh into the bumper opening to see where it sits high or low. Mark those points with a marker while the mesh is clamped. Then remove the bumper or open the access panel to give yourself room to work. Make sure fasteners are labeled for correct reassembly later. With the bumper off, clamp the mesh where the marks are and check fit from several angles so alignment is true. Once clamped, mark pilot hole locations roughly every one. 2 inches and install brackets at corners or where the grill meets structural ribs. Trim excess mesh gradually. File any sharp edges so the bumper won't score. Drill pilot holes at your marks, then attach with rivets or bolts, tightening evenly and incrementally so the mesh stays. Once the mesh is secured, reinstall the bumper and align tabs using your labeled fasteners so everything returns to factory position. Tighten to the specified torque and inspect gaps visually. Make sure the mesh sits evenly and trimmed edges are sealed or painted to prevent corrosion. After a short test drive, listen for rattles and recheck torque. If you hear vibration, loosen nearby fasteners slightly to relieve stress and add foam padding at contact points. This one
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.